Are you looking for the best tankless gas water heaters for your home? In this video we will look at some of the best tankless gas water heaters for your home on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Rinnai RU199 in High Efficiency Tankless Water Heater. For energy efficiency and the ability to produce enough hot water for an average household, it's hard to beat the Rinnai RU199 in High Efficiency Tankless Water Heater. This super high-efficiency condensing unit recycles hot exhaust gases through its system to reduce energy waste and lower utility bills. It features a hearty 11 GPM of hot water flow and comes with 199,000 maximum BTU input capability, so owners needn't choose between running a load of laundry or taking a long, steamy shower. The RU199 makes use of Thermocirc 360 technology that recirculates a bit of warm water through the home's water lines to ensure that you won't have to wait annoying minutes after turning on the faucet to have piping hot water. The RU199 also comes with Wi-Fi monitoring, so it can program the pre-circulation times, such as when owners get up in the morning, while also allowing them to check the unit's efficiency from a tablet or smartphone. This unit is available in either a natural gas or propane model, both of which are 40% more efficient than tanked options on the market. At number 2. Rinnai V53 DEP High Efficiency Tankless Water Heater. Those who are hoping to conserve energy without spending a lot on a gas tankless water heater will want to consider the non-condensing Rinnai V53 DEP High Efficiency Tankless Water Heater. This tankless propane water heater is designed for outdoor installation and will provide up to 5.3 GPM hot water flow. Depending on the ground temperature, colder temperatures can reduce hot water flow. This affordable water heater is well suited to small homes in warm rural areas where temps remain above freezing all year and where natural gas is not piped into the home. It's also suitable for seasonal vacation homes where it can be drained and shut down during cold months. It comes with a maximum BTU output of 120,000, so it will provide enough hot water for a small one-bathroom home or a vacation cabin where showers are staggered. At number 3. Rinnai RU180 in High Efficiency Tankless Water Heater. Reliability meets user-friendliness in the Rinnai RU180 in Tankless Water Heater. This heavy-duty model has a maximum output of 10 GPM, which can provide water to over 5 appliances at a time, all while having a power output of over 180,000 BTUs. This Rinnai is also equipped with an Energy Star certification and a uniform energy factor of 0.95, making it effective but also light on the energy bill. It also has a condensing feature that seals in as much heat as possible before releasing through the ventilation system. Finally, the Rinnai RU180 in indoor unit is the size of a small suitcase, so it won't take up a lot of space. What our tester says, Debbie Wolf, Bob Vila editor and product tester, says about this tankless water heater: when it came time to replace my old tank water heater, my plumber highly recommended Rinnai due to its reputation for quality. He determined the 180,000 BTU 10 GPM model best fit my family's hot water needs. The appliance heats the water quickly and is easily adjustable via the straightforward display on the front of the machine. I especially like that it doesn't take up floor space in my basement, it fits neatly on the wall. There is a slight delay in hot water delivery first thing in the morning, when the tank has not been used for hours. However, once it's activated, the hot water is readily available for the rest of the day. Get the Rinnai RU180 in Tankless Gas Water Heater at Amazon or the Home Depot. At number 4. Camplux 5L 1.32 GPM Tankless Water Heater. Enjoy hot water wherever you go, even if camping or off the grid, with the Camplux Tankless Water Heater. This propane-powered water heater is designed to provide up to 1.32 GPM, supplying enough hot water to take a short shower or wash dishes. At just 34,000 BTUs, the Camplux won't heat enough water to run a household, but it will be a welcome addition where no other source of hot water is to be found. The igniter on the water heater requires 2 D-cell batteries, or plug it into a standard outlet, when available. The Camplux can be paired with a 12-volt water pump to increase water pressure, and the 10-pound unit comes with a handle that can be hung over a hook or a strong tree limb. At number 5. Rinnai RL75 in High Efficiency Tankless Water Heater. Enjoy lower utility bills with the Rinnai RL75 and Tankless Water Heater, which provides up to 7.5 GPM of hot water flow and comes with maximum 180,000 BTU input, making it well suited to homes with 2 bathrooms and 2 to 3 adults or teens. This non-condensing, natural gas-powered tankless hot water heater comes with Rinnai's ThermoCirc 360 technology to ensure consistently hot water as soon as the faucet is turned on. The unit also syncs with Wi-Fi and can be monitored and programmed remotely. Original design, tankless hot water heater's CircLogic technology offers recirculation patterns that match your habits. For the latest in non-condensing technology that speeds up service and installation, check out our new RE160 in model. Never run out of hot water with this compact tankless gas water heater. Non-condensing tankless hot water heater from Rinnai is only the size of a small suitcase and fits in a wide variety of spaces, but provides up to 7.5 GPM, 5 fixtures at once. Smart, durable design includes 12-5- and 1-year residential guarantee and 5-5- and 1-year commercial factory warranty for heat exchanger, labor, and parts, respectively. See control module for Wi-Fi control, not included. Professional installation recommended. Visit the Find a Rinnai Pro page on our website to locate a qualified technician in your area to install your tankless water heater. We do not recommend installing a water heater without a technician. Find your Rinnai, see our product guides, manuals, energy guide, warranty information, videos, and tables to find the right tankless water heater for your home. Check our groundwater temperature map to see if this heater is optimal for your region.